Hi everyone, my name is Tyler Oakley and I'm here today with Curtis, Miss Fame.
Thank you for having me. I'm so excited to actually be painting you.
I am beyond excited. I've never done any type of drag before.
Well, it's a good place to start.
With Fame?
Yeah, of course.
Okay.
I think it's going to be iconic and you might be considered for season 12. You have time to prepare.
Anything's
basically.
possible.
Yes, anything's possible.
Okay, let's get started. So,
Alcohol. I'm using alcohol right now.
I'm like, what is this? Is this the glue stick?
Keep your eyes shut because I don't want you to get like burn out one of your eyes. So we're gonna take some glue. We're gonna hide your brows. It's a process, you know.
I feel like this is the most like well-known part.
Yes, I think it's the most impactful part because you're eliminating natural features of the face.
How's my eyebrow look? Oh,
You can. I mean, it's just flattening the hairs. Your hair is so light that it's easy. You're gonna be fun to paint. Let's do that. So we're gonna put some powder. We're gonna lock her down.
is this what they call caking? No,
Baking.
baking.
Baking is when you are securing kind of your foundation and highlights and like the
That'll be
paint
later.
that goes on the face. Yeah. This is just kind of like how to block the brow. Yeah, this is probably one of the most time consuming is the eye area. It always takes like more to get the new shape in.
Oh, that's glitter?
Yeah.
Oh. My God.
All right, we're gonna put some primer. We're gonna put some primer on your skin. You don't even have a beard to cover.
Thank you.
We're gonna just add a little light under your eyes.
Yes.
All right.
Now, what is that machine?
It's a beauty blender. Gorgeous, finally gorgeous. Not kidding. You can feel you're wearing makeup.
Uh-huh. I can.
Totally. Two. I'm giving you a new nose. So what I'm gonna have to do is keep your eyes up like that for a moment. You can blink as you are. I just need to powder you first because it will crease, and that's something that happens with makeup. This is beating the face.
I feel it.
It's patting everything into the skin. I'm just gonna start highlighting you. This is a base, and then I'm gonna shine over the top of it. Getting brows to be similar is a trick. Looking down, looking up, I'm just gonna do right. Oh my God, these lashes are just babies. Okay, let's get some lip. I wanna make your lips look pretty. Because if I don't do a proper job, it'll look like you had a stroke. It's a lot to work to getting lips overdrawn because if you don't have the framework, you've got to create it. I'm sorry, I'm making you eat lipstick.
I love it. Yum, yum, yum.
Let me see again. Oh my God, a nude lip. I'm putting a mole on, it's on this side.
A mole?
I always do, it's a beauty mark. I have a mole and I always darken it and everybody gets it. It's like a trademark, a stamp. It's like my signature. Okay. And now a lash.
Oh my.
Down.
We're going for a subtle lash.
I'm gonna have you hold the front, like 2 little fingers in the front.
Oh, like
I'll pinch the front of that for,
this?
yeah,
Oh.
right at your hairline. We're gonna pull your bangs back into it.
shebang.
Shebang. Release.
Oh, ooh.
Hello.
Hello.
Who is she though?
Oh my.
Girl, what is happening? I'm feeling things I've never felt before.
What is this feeling? So sudden and new. Oh God. Oh God. Ooh. Ah!
Right?
There's no falling asleep in this. You would have to take it off. Oh my.
Does that hurt?
No.
We're just gonna give you a little bit of chest contour because I can't leave you undone. It's not fair.
We had to lube my arms and shoulders up, which is standard, I think, anytime you do
Yes.
full body latex, when you're giving latex fantasy. And so now we have to give the illusion.
We're just kind of bringing out a rack, like a super hot set of lady bits. So we're just going to do a little martini glass contour. You
A
add
little
like
dabble
light,
do
a little
ya.
dabble do ya, and bring that light right into her parts. Okay. And then, because boob contour can be done so good or so bad. I need you to put your fingers here, like actually hold down here towards that lace and down there by that lace. And I'm going to dip your forehead in here.
I'm nervous.
She's ready. She's so ready for this. Okay, now release your hands and lift your chin.
Ooh.
And scene. This
Ooh.
vintage jewelry always wins. Okay, girl. You's done. You look gorge.
Yeah?
I'm ready for my girl. Come on, girl.
Is she ready?
She's so ready. I can't wait to see her. Oh, isn't she lovely?
I don't think I've ever felt prettier, honestly.
It's extraordinary.
I feel like incredible.
I love my drag daughters. And I am so impressed with the way you carrying the look. I know how hard it is to wear latex and corsets. So
This corset is, I will say, a little bit compact.
yeah, it causes a lot of limitations.
But I honestly, I feel so pretty.
You're
Thank you. Say who he should do next.
yeah.
Let him know, because
Let me know
this
who's
is like
on the cup, because I'm always looking for new faces, people that are loving drag and that deserve a chance to get painted by fame.
As a super fan of drag and drag culture, this is beyond an honor to even be hanging out with you. Okay, thank you so much for watching. This was the most fun. We'll see you guys soon.
Love you so much.
Bye, friends.
Bye.
Mwah.